What's up, guys? We out here with my little brother. We're about to go pick up a TTR 125 electric start version. I think it's small wheel because it has drum brakes in the front, but anyways, I'll meet you whenever we get home with the bike if we buy it. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in just a minute. Alrighty, boys, so we got this fresh TTR 125. Slightly clapped, nothing crazy. Going whole Ronnie Mac in the front. Love it. Back fender, perfect for scraping. But yeah, all it really has is a couple of spokes that are broken in the back, and that's basically it. Maybe a little bit of carburetor tuning and maybe a battery. Other than that, she's mint. So yeah, let's unload this real quick. Alrighty, guys, so here's the TTR 125 I just picked up. Little scuffs and everything on it. Engine seems pretty solid, doesn't smoke or tick or nothing. Back wheel is what's clapped up. We're missing a spoke right here. And then right here's another missing spoke. Here's a professionally welded spoke. Absolutely stunning. And here's one that's broken off. Yeah, my phone won't focus. Tire looks decent, but the kid said I have to change it, so you know, I have to listen to him. But the fender's a little floppy, no biggie. It's like 20 bucks. We got this Ronnie Mac style. Really gonna have to probably keep it right there because that looks mint. Front tire, not bad. So the engine's pretty good. Plastics overall, not horrible. They are kind of ugly, so I might buy some graphics like I did for my other bike, because you can see like they're like trying to peel it off with a razor or something. But yeah, professional Rockstar energy drink. Actually has a key. Electric start is dead. So we shall kick. Does not run good in any means. Enough to show me that the bike runs. That's about it. Is the gas off? Alright, whoever turned the gas off is smart. See? Mint. Alright, looks like it doesn't run actually. I don't know why. It's maybe because it's 40 degrees outside. Or I have no idea. Alright, I got scammed. And yeah, guys, we're gonna leave it at that. I guess we'll just throw it on the stand, take off the back tire, work on all that, and yeah. Alrighty, guys, so here is the bike. And we're about to throw it up on the stand. It's already on the stand. We have to sacrifice the KX100 stand. And we're gonna have to see how this puppy runs and rides. But yeah, I got it to run like half a second ago, so we'll see how this works. That's about it. But it looks like the carburetor leaks a little bit. Is that the petcock? That may be the petcock. Somewhere it's leaking, that's for sure. The kid's definitely been in the carburetor. All the signs that you want to see when you go to buy a dirt bike. But yeah, guys, I think we're gonna have to take off the back tire right now, which should be very, very hard, and just have to take off everything, check out what the spokes need. Might be able to just pass off with just buying a couple new spokes. And yeah, guys. spacer out. Got the chain off. Now we about to have this brake assembly out. And block. We got us a tire. And the bearing came out too. So that's always what we want to see. The bearing's still good, so I don't know why that came out. I might have hit it with the thing when I was knocking it out. Without further ado, chain and sprockets look okay, half decent. I guess that's about it for today. As y'all can see, some of the spokes are missing and the inner tube inside is popped. I'm gonna have to buy myself a 14-inch rear inner tube. And I think the tire is salvageable. Kid insists that I buy a new one, but this thing is mint, except for some dog hair. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next video. If you want to see some more TTR 125 content, go look at the one that we just rebuilt about a month ago. Same exact 2005, just that one was a big wheel. And that one I bought 200 bucks. This one turned out a little bit more. Guy was asking $300. And I managed to talk him down to $295. So very shrewd negotiation over there, but we got a bike. All it needs: front fender, back fender, some spokes for the rear rim, and I think we're mint. Other than that, maybe just with a little cleanup graphics kit if we really feel like it, and we got a good bike. So yeah, guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, every single button that you can find except the unsubscribe button and the dislike button, and that would be very much appreciated. We're really working hard to get up to 200 subscribers, and then we're doing a giveaway at 200. So if y'all enjoyed it, you already know what to do, and peace.